My father butchers a goat from time to time for the simple fact that he enjoys to eat them. So I decided I'd film the process. We're by no means goat butchering experts. My dad is just a simple guy who likes to eat goat and forces me to help him prepare the goat. We begin the process by torching the goat. And then with a steel brush such as this one, I'm going to go ahead and scrape off the burnt fur as he is torching other parts of the goat. And we repeat this process over and over until all the fur is completely gone. Now I know what you're thinking. Why not just remove the skin and the fur completely off the goat? Well, the simple answer to that is he loves eating the skin along with the meat. That's just the way he was raised eating it. So as you can see here, we've been at it for a little while. Majority of the fur has been removed, and we just keep going and going until there is completely no fur left, or at least as much as possible that we can get off. When we feel we've removed as much as we possibly could with the steel brush, my dad pulls out the water hose and starts hosing the goat down. From there, we grab a metal scrubber, one you would use to scrub dishes with, and scrub away at the goat, trying to remove any excess hair left, as much of the burnt residue. And let me tell you, the burnt residue does leave a distinct flavor on the goat. I guess that's just the way he likes it. Again, the way he's been taught how to do it and how he was raised eating it. So that's that. So once that process is complete, it's time to cut this guy open. The feet go bye-bye. The head comes off, but I don't think it goes bye-bye. I think he actually keeps the head and prepares it a certain way. Now, even when I assist my father with this entire process, I always think to myself, there are probably more efficient and perhaps better ways of doing this. But my father is one of the most impatient people I have ever met in my life, and everything to him is a race. Here we start to remove the insides. And keep in mind, just about everything in and on this goat will be used for cooking and eating. So I don't think he has a specific science to this here. Pretty much tug and cut until all the insides come out. So cut out the butthole. So here he begins to just sort out all the different parts and organs. That's just a whole bunch of fat that doesn't get used and gets thrown away. Those are the kidneys there that he's going to keep. The lungs and heart. I don't know what that is, but he's keeping it as well. That there that he is pointing at is some kind of bile, and I guess he doesn't like that, so he cuts it off and it goes bye-bye. Here we move to the stomach lining or tripes. And I found this kind of interesting. He was pretty much dumping the crap into his garden as fertilizer. So, makes sense. Here he is just sorting out the intestines. I don't even know the proper terminology for this. The shit tubes is what I call them. And he's going to go ahead and keep those, clean them out and keep those and use them in a dish. And to clean out the shit tubes, we stick a water hose down the tube and spray, and all the pebbles come out. And from there it goes to the kitchen. There's more cleaning to do until they're satisfied with it. And that pretty much concludes the process. From there, everything goes to the kitchen and the food preparation begins. So thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.